We're gonna go see Elvis. Hello, friends. So today we have a 2005 Chevy Equinox. Check out this car. It's so pretty. It's a beautiful burgundy color. Maroon, burgundy, I don't know, but it's pretty. Just saying. Let's check it out. It is a little bit grungy. And we're not going to do that much to it. We're just going to get it cleaned up and then we're going to take it back. It's a nice little vehicle. Wow. I'd say this is going to be more vacuuming than anything else. So, let's get started. You know what I do not have today? My phone stand. So let's see how this goes. I haven't done this since just after I started. I bought a stand not long after and been using it ever since. When I first started, I propped it up wherever I could get it. So let's see how this goes. Alrighty, friends, so as I suspected, it didn't go very well without the stand. But I thought I would show you the final, which you probably won't be able to tell much, but that's only because it was such a pretty vehicle to begin with. Well, we got that looking much, much better. There it is. Now, you could basically say this was a touch-up. And the reason why is because it didn't need that much. I got this looking a little bit better. It's just faded, that's all. But this really, it did go on the line. It could have done just fine. But I completely agree that it did need a good vacuum. So I did blow it and vacuum. Looks good under there. I will say this trim definitely needs a makeover. I'm not doing it. It's for the car lot, but you know. Alrighty. It's got little manual books and all that in that glove box. It's for some kind of receiver in here. And it's got a cord to go with it. I'm like, I have no idea what that's for. I'm not messing with it. You know, that technical stuff that some old people don't know anything about. That's exactly what that is. That didn't take long at all. Quick wipe down. It was good. Definitely not concerned about that. So, there it is, y'all. It's all done. This is August 5th. 5th? It's the 5th. So this is August 5th, Thursday. So tomorrow morning, I'm not doing a detail the rest of the week. So tomorrow morning, me and Miss Kay are heading out to Branson, Missouri. We're going to go see Elvis. So, I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, wonderful weekend, and we'll see you next week. For me. See you later.